What's good, InCAR.nation family? So today, me and my little brother decided to paint the calipers on the. As you can see, he's already busy, starting to prep and whatsoever, what. So we are going with yellow. So he's gonna quickly start with the preparations of the caliper, and then I'm gonna start with that car. There's a knocking sound on the shock strut, so we're going to check what is the problem there, and then we are coming back to film the whole process of painting a caliper. I think I'm going to do a DIY. So I'm going to do a DIY and explain to you step by step how to do how to spray the calipers ish. Yeah, so yeah, stay tuned and enjoy today's video. Oh yeah, yellow dog. Sing ibu, hij stak ibu. Hij is een deel van de caliper. Oh ja. Was hij plastic? Wat is dat? Ja. So this job is quite straightforward. Same as painting everything. All you have to do is clean it up, and Keanu did that, clean it up, and mask it, tape it up. So mask it up so that you don't overspray on anything else. This part also needs to be masked up, taped up. If any overspray gets there, you will just clean it up. So that's all we have to do now. He's gonna do that. I'm going to this car because I need to fix stuff. So what happened is, as you can see, I already took out those nuts, but that stud, it broke off. So I'm gonna jack the car up now and quickly do that. So yeah, as you can see here clearly, one stud is broken off. So I already removed the caliper. Yeah, is it just 2 bolts? Where did I put it now? Yeah, 2 13mm bolts, and then here is 17mm. So I'm gonna take out of the bracket. Let me remove the brakes quickly. Brakes off, and then we're gonna remove the bracket and the disc, and I think that will be it. Then we will just heat that one out and put in. We have lots of new ones here, so then I'm gonna put a new one in. So yeah, I don't have a stand, so I'm gonna take time to put you or to update you. So yeah, here's the broken one, and here's the replacement. It's going in here. Okay, so now all you have to do is get a old. So yeah, all you have to do now find this is what you have to do. Just find something you can put here, and then put on the stud and pull that thing in. Like this. Okay, yeah, so this is a quick update. As you can see, the yellow is starting to pop. This is 2 layers, 2 coats. So yeah, I'm satisfied with how the results is coming out. Is je tevreden? Oh, yeah. So yeah, Keanu is gonna spray a 3rd coat, I think, and then we will be sorted. And then all we have to do is repeat the same steps on the other 3 wheels. I can't help him here because I'm currently busy here with this car. Like I told you, let me quickly check. So in the previous clip you will see I've replaced this stud because it was broken off. Here's the broken piece. It was broken off. So yeah, I'm almost done. I just have to assemble everything, reassemble everything, and then we are sorted this. So yeah, that's how the end result look. It came out properly. Very good, very nice. Gonna throw on the wheel and then I'm gonna shoot some cinematics after that. This side is also good, as you can see. We still have to do the back, the rear calipers, but I don't think I'm gonna film that. So yeah, if I'm done throwing on the wheels, I'm gonna shoot some cinematics.